Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this tiered tray using Dollar Tree items. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I made it, then please keep watching. So what we're going to be needing for this project is going to be this huge pizza pan, this pack of 2 stove covers, your choice of candle holders, and I'm using some E6000. And now I'm just going to go ahead and glue my candle holders. And here is what it looks like. You guys could do the candle holders upside down, but I liked how it looked this way better. I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint this with this dark walnut color. I'm not gonna lie guys, the only reason why I got it was because it is on clearance for $2, and I wanted a dark color, but I didn't necessarily want all black. So I think this is a great color. Hopefully it looks good on there as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake this up and then spray paint that, and I'm gonna do the bottom first in case something happens when I flip it over. The top part isn't messed up and it doesn't show. So it's super windy right now. I'm a little nervous, but let's go ahead and do this. I'm a little nervous too because I need to get the inside and I don't know how that's gonna go. I did think about spray painting all the pieces separately, but then once I would have glued them, eventually the paint chips, which makes it fall apart, and I didn't want that, so I'm a little stuck here, but I'm gonna just go ahead and do it. I'm gonna even get on the floor and get it on there, so wish me luck. Actually really loving the color. Look how pretty it looks. Right, I think I'm done with it upside down wise, and once I flip it, I'm gonna see if I'm missing any of the crystal the crystal candle holder, and I'll go ahead and go over that. But for now I'm gonna let it dry out, and then I'll come back and do the other side to do the top part. Okay guys, and this is the final look. I actually really love the color. It looks sort of matte to me, which I really like. I think this is probably one of my new favorite colors to spray paint with. What do you guys think?